Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Amber Sharnice. In today's video, like I told you guys, I'm going to be giving you the official dining room tour. So you guys, the dining room is pretty much finished, okay? There's a few things that I want to get for this room, and of course I'll give you guys updates along the line, but as of right now, it's pretty much complete. So I wanted to come through and give you guys a tour, tell you where I got most of all my items from in the dining room. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so the very first thing that I want to talk about in this room, and one of my very favorite pieces, I think that just brings the entire room together, is our rug. So you guys, I purchased this 8x10 rectangular ivory and black rug. The name of this rug is called Oriental Medallion, and it's a distressed, non-shedding living room rug, bedroom, dining room, home office, all that good stuff. Even though I love the style and the look of this rug, and I think it complements this room in a way that's just so beautiful, the best part about the rug was the price. I only paid $190.37 for it. Baby, an 8x10 rug for $190.37. Absolutely amazing. Now, moving right along, you guys, we're going to talk about our dining room chairs. These chairs, absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if I mentioned on the rug, but I purchased a rug from Amazon, and I also purchased these chairs from Amazon. You guys, these are the widest, the widest dining room chairs I've ever seen, and I absolutely love that. They have plenty cushion. They are very, very soft, but yet firm. I don't feel like I'm gonna get a lot of physical wear to the point where I need to replace these chairs anytime soon. Other than the fact that, yes, these are a very light linen cream colored seat. I do have small children, so I do have to wipe these seats down, but I found with a little bit of a damp paper towel, scrub a dub real quick, and the spots are gone. So I will say that these chairs were definitely not cheap. These are the Amazon brand Rivet Contemporary Dining Room Chairs, and as of right now, they are on the site for $179.38 a piece. So you guys, I snagged the best deal on this freaking table, okay? So this table is from Ashley Furniture. And I say this is a very good, sturdy, firm piece of furniture, honey. I mean, it's good stuff. It's great quality, okay? So this table I originally purchased back in, I believe, January. And I purchased it from online. I purchased it with a set of chairs. This table is called the Belvern Dining Table. I purchased this table with 6 chairs, and it was going to come out to about $1,600 for both the chairs and the table. I actually visited one of the Ashley stores in my hometown, and girl, the chairs weren't giving what I wanted them to give. So I knew I wanted some light-skinned chairs, okay? And I wanted a dark table, but the chairs were giving more of a brown gray vibe, and I just was not feeling it, right? So I decided to look around, see if I could find some more chairs somewhere else, and that's when I ran to the Amazon chairs. But you guys, I was gonna pay $1,600 just for the table and chairs, and I wasn't gonna really like the chairs. So I decided to cancel the chairs and only get the table, and I snagged the table for only $359.99. And the leaf just basically means this, from here to here, I can actually pull the table apart, take this leaf out to make the table smaller. But I wanted a large dining table in this particular area to fill the space and also have enough area or seating when I have guests over. So I left the leaf in, but if I ever wanted to make this table smaller, all I have to do is take out this leaf. All right, guys, so this piece is also from Ashley Furniture. This is called the Belvern Buffet Set. This actually came with the table. Now this was a piece that you could of course add on if you didn't necessarily want the piece. You could just leave it. But I loved it. I thought that I was gonna need a little bit more pieces in this room to kind of fill it up, make it look nice. And this one was very, very pricey. I tried to get it on sale, which I did, but even with it being on sale, it was very, very pricey. The regular price was $818.99, and I got it for $737.90. And I also must mention our curtains that we got for the dining room. And we also have these curtains pretty much all over the house, except for the girls' room, our bedroom, and upstairs. But all the downstairs areas, the common areas, have the same curtains. I got these off of Amazon as well. And if I'm not mistaken, I think they were maybe around $30-something. If that, love them. Like a linen texture. They have like a little bit more to them than just, you know, cream and all that good stuff. So love them. And we also got our curtain rods from Walmart. So that was a nice buy as well. So here we get to the gallery wall. Before we get to that, we'll talk about the decorations that I have on the buffet server. So no, these decorations are not here to stay, okay? I literally just put them here because I don't know what else to do with them in my house. But I do want to kind of like decorate this area and then also do like a centerpiece situation. I want to do like vases on the table. I just haven't found any that I like. I also want to do a tall plant in one of these corners around here. I don't know if I want to put anything on these walls because the rest of the walls are pretty much bare. But yeah, my decorating style for the living room is pretty minimal. I don't want to do too much. I don't want to overcrowd it. But I do know I want to add the vases on the table, decorations back here, a plant or something in the corner. But let's go ahead and talk about these items that I got. I got these from Home Goods. This was $16.99. This vase was $14.99 and the little plant inside was $6.99. So like I said, I don't quite know if I'm gonna leave this here, if I'm gonna move it, or what the case may be. I don't know yet. However, we get to the gallery wall. So I love this piece in the house. This is the only area in the house aside from my office where we have pictures of us. I don't know, I just kind of grew out putting pictures up of your entire family all over your house thing. All right guys, so that concludes our fully decorated dining room tour. I told you where I got everything from. I know it's been a while, I've been holding out for this video for a little bit. Girl's been busy, okay, and I've been putting this wall off for the longest. I'm glad we finally got it done. I will be doing the living room soon, you guys, once I find the perfect couch. I told you guys I'm on a hunt for another couch, so once I get that in, we'll then do a room review for the living room as well. But I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in to my channel today. Watch my vlogs if you're interested in watching more about me or seeing more about me and that little personality, all that good stuff, girl. Like this video, leave me a comment down below what you think. What was your favorite piece, okay? But thank you again for tuning into the channel and watching this video. And you guys have a wonderful day. But before you have a wonderful day, subscribe.